So let's start with the label, which is that image section. I'm going to jump back to the browser. This image text right here above the field. You probably have some idea about how to adjust this already, but let's go ahead and work through the process. What we'll need to do is adjust the display settings for this field. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Structure. We need to go to the Content Type page, Content Types, and then next to Guide, I'm going to click on Manage Display instead of Manage Fields. Now notice that this page looks kind of similar to the Manage Fields page, and you can compare them by clicking on Manage Fields in the tab right here. I'm going to go back to Manage Display. We have the ability to reorder our fields. We have a couple of new columns here. We have the label, and if we click a drop down, we have three options: above, inline, and hidden. And notice that for bio, it's hidden, for specialties, it's above, and for image, it's above. So we want to hide it, so it would make sense to go ahead and set our image label to hidden. Okay, let's go ahead and click Save. And let's go back to our guide page. We can go ahead and just click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the overlay. All right, and when the page refreshes, we see that there's no longer an image label towards the top. Okay, so our first step is complete.